Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide columns and rows in Excel. So first, open Excel. And then let's say we want to hide this column in here, column B. So select on the column, right click, and then click hide. Now once you decide to unhide this, you may right click this one here and click unhide. There it is. If you want to select multiple columns that you want to hide, you can press Control and then select the number of columns that you want to hide. Then same process, right click and then click hide. Once you want to unhide that, just right click this again and click unhide. And that's how to hide columns and rows in Excel. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.